let me tell you what to expect from this video. After getting soaked on the fast boat to Koh Rong, we find paradise, where we take a boat trip out to do some snorkeling and have dinner, before jumping into the pitch black water so we can see some bioluminescent plankton. But first, we need to get out of Snorkeling and onto a boat. So the hotel we were staying in did not have a restaurant, but from previous trips, we know that the Novotel does a really great breakfast. So we've actually gone to the Novotel to see if we can just buy breakfast. Our top travel tip, find a name brand hotel. They're sure to have a good buffet. So our tuk-tuk was absolutely filthy after those 2 big days of driving in the mountains and stuff. So we got them to clean it just before we head off to the island, just so it's nice and clean when we get back, because we plan to do all our laundry when we're on the island and we don't want to be sitting in a red dust box. So it's nice and clean now, and we can move on to the island. So because it took so long to clean our tuk-tuk, we're in a bit of a rush now to get to our ferry on time. Here's hoping.
We got this, man. Come on!
Luckily we didn't actually pre-book our tickets. We planned to buy them at the dock because we had spoken to some other travellers who said it's better to do it that way in case you miss it. So that was really great advice, because it turns out that we might actually miss it. So if you're driving yourself to Koh Rong, well, to Sihanoukville to then go to Koh Rong, it's actually fairly simple to get in. There's a guide, he'll guide you to where you've got to go through at a boom gate, and it's a straight road exactly to the parking lot. Can't go wrong.
Parking looks good, it looks secure. There's plenty of security guards around, so yeah, looks all right. I think we should be just fine. Right, 25 US a ticket. Nice and cheap and easy. This whole experience has been quite easy so far. It's nothing hard about it at all. We had to pay in cash, they don't take card, and I even tried to scan my QR with my Revolut card. Didn't work, so yeah, just make sure you bring plenty of cash. It's 25 US per person, but there is an ATM, like literally walking distance from the ferry terminal, so yeah. Oh dear. The only problem you got is, which one do you choose? Yeah, it's got a bunny rabbit. Let's give that one a go, it's cute. Alright, as you can see, we're all packed on like sardines, but it's a really comfy boat. Yeah, it's good. Not a bad boat, is it?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Jesse was adult price because he's over 10, so just keep that in mind when you're booking your tickets. It's hot, I hope we start moving soon.
Yeah, it's clocking on this boat. Mate, this boat scoots along. It's absolutely flying. This is sick. Absolutely cooking it. With all these people on it too. I don't know if you can see that, but we're heading straight into a storm. It's literally all around it. So, but it should be interesting.
And as the clouds rolled in, the rain hit us. We just took it on our stride and had a great time.
Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can feel the words of your lips.
Safe to say, we're not hot anymore. Look at Yana. She's drowned. Let's sail the sloppy seas. Absolutely scooted here. We made it here in 23 minutes. That is unreal. As we all heard off the boat like sheep. Man. Thank you, my man. Oh. Heavy bags. All right, welcome to Koh Rong Island. We are here, guys. The water looks absolutely divine. Apparently they're going to meet us here, but if not, it doesn't matter. The resort's literally like
Yeah.
there.
Once we arrived, we just had a little wait before our rooms were ready.
We have 1 hour left until we can have our room, so we are going to go for a swim.
Not a bad way to wait for your room to be ready, I must say. With all our bags packed away, it was time to explore this paradise.
All right, so this afternoon we have decided to take a boat tour.
We will be doing some snorkeling, some fishing, we'll get dinner on the boat or possibly on an island, I'm not entirely sure, and then we'll watch the sunset and do some bioluminescent snorkeling. The water was absolutely beautiful to swim in. We did not get cold once. It was a little bit wavy and I've seen better coral and snorkeling areas, but apart from that, there was still plenty of fish to see and we had a great time.
Absolutely fantastic freshwater shower out here. Absolutely fantastic snorkel, guys. Yeah, as you can see, we're rocking around like there's no tomorrow. It's horrible today to be on a boat, but none of us are sick yet, which is good. Fingers crossed none of us get sick.
Jess is not looking great.
No, he's had a tablet, so hopefully he'll be alright. Yeah, we'll see what's next. I don't know where the fishing is, but I've not seen any rods or lines or anything.
No, I haven't either, and there's not many places where they could hide them either.
Yeah, maybe it's just a party boat. We're on the wrong boat. And reels. Oh. You got one, Jessie?
Yep.
Let it hit the bottom and then pull it back up a little.
Welcome back, guys, to another very exciting video where we fish with handrails.
Okay, so we stopped at one fishing spot, but within like a couple of minutes, the captain was like, nah, there's no fish here, we're moving on. So we're now in the second spot, we'll see how that goes.
I reckon there's no fish because they brought bananas on board. And as we know, bananas are bad luck on boats.
So are women.
Really?
Yep.
There's fucking heaps of them here. There's more women than men here today, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And shoes, they're bad luck too. First fish caught. A little trumpeter.
They're out there. So we've just stopped off at this beautiful little bay and they're letting us jump off the boat and go for a good swim, and it's beautiful here.
Whilst we waited for our dinner to be cooked, all of us, every single person on that boat, took a turn at jumping off the top. In the end, it was like little lemmings falling off a ledge.
Alright, let's give the Khmer whiskey a go.
Thank you.
It's actually really nice. Really smooth.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, I thought that was going to kick my ass, but it's actually not bad.
We then waited for the sun to set so that we could find a pitch black area of the ocean and jump on in.
We just swam with the plankton, but unfortunately we couldn't capture it on the pros. Even on the phone, it's just too dark. You just cannot see a thing.
It's like running your fingers through and there's little diamonds coming out of it like magic.
Yeah, it's unreal. It's like little stars come out. So when you do that in the water, it's just like little stars just come out from your hands. And when you kick your legs, you get like a cloud of little stars, magic blue stars. It's unreal. It's really cool. Don't know what that was about, but
Make sure he hasn't left anyone behind.
oh, he did head count. Make sure no one was left behind. That's good. Look in your pockets.
I don't have any in this one. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed, because on the next video we are going to take a scooter all the way around Koh Rong Island.